बता क्या बन गया गर्म है ये चटनी लेती ये चटनी
बेचारा बहुत भूख में था, that's why.
बहुत मर चुके
क्या है उसका ये? लाइफ में कभी तुक्का नहीं निकाला इंसान. Hello everyone, so I got this rack from Amazon. Like, it has been on my wish list for so long, and finally I got the chance to buy this, so I'm very happy right now. And I have already unpacked it at my home, to see if I receive any defected items or not, so that I can return it back. But everything was fine, so I bought it at my hostel. And trust me guys, the quality is amazing, and it also has a lot of space. You can keep a lot of your stuffs in there, and also it looks very aesthetic, so you can definitely have it. And don't worry, I'll provide each and every links on my description, so you guys can check out.
ऑटोमेटिकली डंप हो जाते हैं. बट
Hi guys, I'm back to the hostel and just took my lunch. Today we have soya beans, fried potatoes, some lemons and rice.